If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why?
Watch it. With banku and okra stew and I want
French fries and fried chicken, yeah.
beans with plantain.
I would say gobe.
Gobe, why gobe?
Gobe, gobe is very simple food and so dear water, When you enter the stomach, it will take you around maybe 6-7 hours. So why not?
Voila, it's another day and you're right back on your screens like we never left.
Jollof rice
And what?
and okras with banku.
Hey, why? If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why? It is still a quick question right here on Cooking with Seneco. My name is Didi. Join me and let's hear what people have to say. See you. If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why?
Or maybe I'll just eat maybe banku and okra stew and I want.
You really enjoy bam?
Yeah, I really.
Because of the energy it will give you.
Oh no, it's not because of the energy, because of the food. I like the food. The banku, like, you understand?
Yeah. Just enjoy. So I hope you've heard of 3-course menu before, right?
Okay.
So tell me, what is the last meal on a 3-course menu?
Maybe I'll just. I can't say it. Yeah.
You don't really have an idea. Okay, next one. So what is a colander?
What?
What is a colander?
Kuranda. I don't understand.
Don't even understand.
Yeah.
So this is for you. If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why?
Watch it.
Wachi. Why wachi?
Because watch it has all the ingredients inside.
So name some of the ingredients you think wachi has.
Like egg, salad, everything's out.
Everything's
Yeah, gari. Yeah.
I believe you've heard of 3-course menu before.
Nah.
Did you do BDT in school?
Yeah, I did.
So tell me, what is the last meal on a 3-course menu?
I don't know.
You can't even give it a try.
Nah.
You can. So tell me, what is a colander?
What's that?
What is a colander?
Hey. Renkayo.
All right, thank you so much, Raphael. If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why?
French fries and fried chicken, yeah.
Hey, that's your favorite thing.
Yes, please.
Nobody say wache banku fufu, only you French fries.
Yeah, I'm a little bit continental,
But so what's continental? But then you like Ghanaian dishes or just continental dishes?
I like Ghanaian dishes too, yeah.
Have you ever heard of a 3-course menu before?
Yes.
So tell me, what is the last meal on a 3-course menu? The last meal on a 3-course menu.
Is it dessert?
Dessert, that's what you think.
Yes.
What you think. All right, so what is a colander?
Kulanda.
Yes, colander.
Kulanda. Kulanda, I think it's used for separating a mixture of liquid and then solid in the kitchen. That's what I think.
That's what you think. All right, thank you so much, Bright, for your time. So this is your question. If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why?
I think I like to choose beans with plantain, or maybe jollof rice with egg. Yeah.
With egg, jollof with egg.
Yeah.
And then beans.
Yes.
Why do you like that?
Maybe I don't even know why, but I just like them. Anytime I eat jollof with egg, I don't know why, but I just get happy.
Just get happy. Jollof with egg.
I just like it.
You don't like chicken, no gizzard, nothing, just the egg.
For the chicken, no, yarisa, bread. So with the egg, I don't know why, but I just like that.
All right.
Jollof with egg. Yeah.
So then, have you ever heard of a 3-course menu before?
3-course menu.
Yes. You did BDT in school. Kai, which you remember? Tell me, what is the last meal on a 3-course menu?
I don't know if you can break it down for me.
The last meal on a 3-course menu. We have the 3-course menu. So what is the last meal on a 3-course menu? Yeah, actually 3. So the last one.
3. I have no idea.
You can't even try.
No.
All right. So tell me, what is a colander?
Colander.
Yeah.
In tree.
You can describe it. Whatever you want to do.
Colander is it sonye? It's used to sieve, maybe when preparing soup or something. Yeah.
That's what we use.
Yeah.
So this is for you. If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why?
I don't know.
You don't have any favorite meal you like? What food do you like?
Banku.
Banku.
Yeah.
So you can eat banku every day without getting tired?
No, it's not every day.
Every day.
It's not every day. Like 3 days, 4 days. Yeah.
Continuously eat banku 3 days, 4 days without getting tired? Banku with what?
Okra stew.
And then what meat do you like?
Cow meat.
Cow meat.
Yeah.
Hey, then I like your words. Have you ever heard of a 3-course meal before?
Hot.
A 3-course meal.
A 3-course meal.
Yes. You do BDT in school.
No.
So you can't even tell me what the last meal on the 3-course menu is?
I don't remember.
You don't really know. So tell me, what is a colander then?
Calendar.
What is a colander?
Colander. I don't
You
understand.
can't even try.
No. Yeah.
So this is for you. If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why?
A particular meal.
To eat every day, what food would that be?
This country for one own.
Yes.
I would say gobe.
Gobe, why gobe?
Gobe, you know, gobe is very simple food and so dear water, you know. When you enter the stomach, it go fit take you around maybe 6-7 hours. So why not?
But then I heard it's expensive now.
Gobe is expensive.
That's what I heard.
You know, due to the economic crisis in the then BBI expensive. But how you go do them? Expensive, you go go with them. So for me, for choosing any other food, I will go for gobe. Charlie. Koko ura ngudi anka gobe ura nyede. Hey, gobe ura ngudi anka koko ura nyede.
But actually, since you are talking about food, and it means you are a foodie, you really know food. So tell me, what is a colander?
You say what?
What is a colander?
What?
A colander.
Please, where's from this one too?
Alright, so I have these beautiful students here, beautiful and handsome, right? So on my left is Jedediah, and then on my right is what?
Portia.
Portia. So this is my question for you guys. If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why? So ladies first.
Rice and stew.
Why rice and stew?
Because I like rice and stew because it's my best food.
And then you, Jedi?
Me, I'll choose wachi with rice and salad and macaroni because the egg is having carbohydrates, but the egg is having protein and the salad is having carbohydrates. So when I eat the egg, I used to watch beans is inside. The protein is too much, so the carbohydrates will cool down the protein for me.
Hey, nutritionist Jedediah. So I have another student here with me, and you are?
Joseph.
And then?
Cornelius.
Okay, right, so this is my question. If you were given the chance to choose a particular meal to eat every day, what food would that be and why?
Jollof rice.
And what?
And okros with banku.
Hey, why?
Jollof rice.
And what?
And okros with banku.
Jollof rice with okra with banku, which is which?
Because I'm interested. It gives me protein. Yes.
Which of them gives you the protein?
The okra soup.
The okra soup gives you protein.
Yes.
And you are so sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okra soup, it gives you protein.
Yes.